Yo, hentai kamin nga pala, Kakantutin ko yung puke mo. Saka shoutout sa mantra, yun lang.
May pala ang pamilyang palagi niyong binubobo. Bakit matahimik lang kaya dali niyong ginagago? Palibasa ay maingay pag walang laman ng bao. Tapos alam mo kung sino umasta na matalino. Oo lamang basigan.
Rebisco, product placement, never earned the validation. Build your whole persona of recycled imitation. Every move predictable, same configuration. I'll end your whole campaign with one clean termination. You market empty slogans, call it creative branding. Pero pag tinignan ng content, walang tunay na standing. Ako ang blueprint writer, ikaw ay yung chip expanding. Pag dumating ang pressure, ikaw ang una magko-collapsing. You wanted confrontation, welcome to annihilation. Every line na manufacture comes with built-in detonation. Habang ikaw nag-iipon ng borrowed reputation, ako ang dahilan kung bakit nawawala ang celebration. You copy every cadence, every pattern, every sequence. Pagdating sa originality, zero real achievements. Di mo kaya magtayo ng sariling ingredients. Kaya bawat bara mo parang edited convenience. I'm not throwing punches, I'm conducting operations. Every setup calculated, every pay of devastation. You depend on lucky moments, random confirmation. Mind survive every replay through layered observation. You call of yourself a problem, then a permanent solution. Every angle dismantles your imaginary institution. Hindi kailangan sumigaw para gumawa ng execution. Tahimik lang ang guillotine bago ang final conclusion. Packaging impressive, pero hollow ang interior. Shiny on the outside, but the substance looking inferior. You chase temporary clout just to satisfy spectators. I chase time like contables that echo years later. Difference ng bars natin, mind survive investigation. Your collapse immediately under examination. Every metaphor connected, every scheme has a destination. You skip missing every step without a navigation. You build a cardboard kingdom just to call yourself a ruler. One calculated sentence made the whole illusion weaker. Hindi ako nakikipagunahan, ako ang naging standard meter. Kaya bawat bitaw mo lalo nang nagmumukhang cheaper. I'm the author of the ending. Ikaw extra sa prologue. You keep searching for momentum. I keep building whole catalogs. Every crowd reaction earned, never but with monologues. You keep fishing for applause while I'm writing epilogues. This ain't hate, it's a public skill evaluation. Every poll illuminated under lyrical radiation. You confuse loud delivery with authentic evaluation. Pero volume never fixes with imagination. Final sequence, listen close. This is closing like illustration. You enter thinking equal. Left as cautionary notation. Rebisco wasn't beaten. He became the demonstration. Difference nga manufactured hype at genuine creation. Time.